I'm going to play a piece by Kevin Wooding from the grade 1 piano exam for 2019-2020. And make sure you note my crocodile, who is placed on middle C sharp. This is your middle C. And now I would like you to shape both hands and place them on A and E on the right hand, and left hand has to be 2 octaves lower on A, E again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I just played the first 2 lines. Now I'm going to play one more time, and this time I'm going to show you all the changes of the thumb, because the thumb needs to change. Sometimes the thumb goes to G, and sometimes the thumb goes back to A, and then it goes to E, which is 4 notes lower. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 notes lower than A. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now watch out. Thumb on the right hand. A now on the second finger, but then again first finger on A. 2. Watch out again. And change again. Look at that. G now. Poor crocodile. Let's play these 2 bars again. Bar 9 and bar 10. And this time, please watch out for the B flat C sharp. The first time I'm going to play B flat C sharp, I'm going to use my 3rd and 4th finger. Look at that. But then, as I change my position and as my crocodile turns around, my first finger will be on A, so my B flat C sharp will be played with the 2nd finger and 3rd finger. Let's see that again. I'm playing from bar 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And back to G position again. And turn. Look at that. This is bar 11. Now bar 12, I'm turning again. Down and make sure your fingertips are very close to your keys. And 1 octave higher, E and A. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for watching. See you next time.